Hi everybody! If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. This video is a little bit different from my usual videos in that it's not a tutorial video, but an announcement. I wanted to tell you about a series of videos I have coming up in the month of September. Today is August 31st, 2022. Starting on Friday, September 2nd, I will be having a series of videos on sock knitting. I'm calling this Sock September. I've gotten lots of requests to dive a little bit deeper into sock heel types. I have the overview video going over a bunch of different sock heel types, but I don't dive too deep into each one. So this month of September, I will be diving a little bit deeper into several of those sock heel types. I'll also provide tutorial patterns so that you can play along with those sock heels. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I will have a new video all during the month of September. I will focus heavily on sock heel types, but there will be other sock knitting related videos sprinkled in. In addition to the videos, I have a brand new sock knit along pattern out today. Here it is, and it's available for purchase on Ravelry and Payhip. The link is in the description box below. For this pattern, you will need 2 contrasting colors of fingering weight sock yarn. If you aren't sure what makes a good sock yarn, then check out my video coming out this Friday where I discuss sock yarns and what makes a good sock yarn. Share your socks with me on Instagram using the hashtag here the whole month of September and beyond, of course. I can't wait to see your socks. As I mentioned, I will have tutorial patterns for the sock heel types, so leading up to that, there is a little bit of homework that's linked in the description box below. You'll need some yarn and appropriately sized needles to work this homework. It's not a lot of knitting, so don't stress. And you have a whole week before the first sock heel video drops. I hope you're excited about this series of sock knitting videos and the sock knit along. I certainly am. Let me know in the comments below your thoughts about these upcoming videos. Make sure to like this video if you're looking forward to it. The first video will be out in just a couple of days on Friday. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get a notification when that video drops. See you on Friday for Sock September.